I'm Josh.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Matthew.
I'm... Oh, Adam.
What's up, guys?
It's the Rockcard boys. Back with another Pokemon pack. Packing.
I'll try.
Adam.
We're here for another video, and we're opening videos.
If we don't get a holographic, at least
I need
taking shots.
I'm gonna
Taking
need-
shots.
I only have one pack.
No. See, we got some. We got a Yu-Gi-Oh. We got a Yu-Gi-Oh as well.
Yu-Gi-Oh pack. Whoa, mixing things up.
So I'll be opening 2. Josh will be opening 2. Adam's opening 1. Matthew's opening a Pokemon and a Yu-Gi-Oh.
You get the trap card.
Ooh.
Trap.
So who's going first?
I'm opening mine first.
I'll step
If he
back.
doesn't get a holographic, at least he has a shot. I mean, like
Pokemanic, Flats, Stout.
That's a shot for Adam.
Oh yeah, garlic bread. Garlic naan bread, you stupid twat.
No.
Yes, if you don't get a holographic,
Take a shot of vodka.
Alright guys, so if you don't get at least a holographic, we've got to take a shot.
Show 'em what
of
it is.
Vodka.
Show 'em what it is.
Smirnoff vodka.
ooh,
That's
ooh,
very
smell
nice.
that. Ooh.
It's not Smirnoff.
Mmm.
Oh yeah.
Ciao.
Oh, you did not like that.
Oh,
Well, I'm not over there anymore packed.
It's a good...
Not mine.
Yeah.
No, you packed?
That's hot.
Bone Street.
Oh yeah.
Deluxe.
Oh, Joltic.
I got nothing here.
Say
Just some trash.
vodka. That one, nah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
oh,
Faking it, dickhead.
you've got an energy
Oh my god.
and a Silvally holographic.
Oh, he got a
holographic.
Put it back on, I'll put it back on.
Right then, you hustlers. It's my turn.
He's back from Belgium.
Hustlers at home.
Ooh.
Masculine!
No, no,
You
get
wanna buy
it.
a rabbit?
I'll get it to you. Pal.
Hustlers at
Ow.
home. You want to buy a rabbit?
Ain't going. Wick.
Brighton is not here.
Oh, that sounds.
Tag
team!
Oh!
Exocoto.
Four to the front.
yeah.
Salazzo.
Oh
and
my
a
god.
full art coach trainer.
Oh my god. This is actually some really good pulls we got here. The Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Yugi trash.
Oh, that.
It goes for about
Rockcard boys.
£6 as well.
Rockcard boys were in club a few weeks ago.
Signing off.
See you later, guys.
Few
Bye.
hustlers at home. We all love you. Everyone who's all 7 people who subscribed.
Mwah.
Love you all.
Bye.
Bye.
What's it?